You probably wonder where the fuck I am currently. And I have switched our base locations. We are currently on the map right here. I don't know if you can really see it, but we used to live all the way over there. I'll probably zoom it in when I edit this video. I thought this would be a lot better to live here, because camp enclosure, the fucking Smeagol Spider-Mans. Fuck off. A bow sounds pretty nice. Rock. This. Why the fuck did I put a rock in there? Wow. Who's the damsel in distress? Why is she not wearing anything? Alright, let's see. Grab the book. I want to see how we can build shelter. Tent. Floor. You put a log down in a square and then you put your log. Okay, interesting. So you grab a log. You place it down. Wait. Ah. Wait. Ah. Oh. Oh no. Kelvin, get away from her. You don't know what's going on with her. Okay, she's not attacking. What the fuck is she doing? Why does she have 3 legs? Hey yo. Whoa. Chill. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to startle you. Oh freaking way, she's dancing. What do you want from me, lady? You want my logs? Got the log right there. Right down there. You know what? I'll build a little house and I'll be back when it's finished. Good job, Kelvin. And we are done. Look at our beautiful Minecraft square house. It's literally a square of 4 by 5. Man, a lot of things have happened actually while I was building this shithole. We are now on day 6. Like I said, we now have a bench. We can sit on and we can chill. Hello, squirrel. We can now also interact with this woman. I don't really. We don't have anything to give her yet, but I have no clue what. We can see her nipples through her clothing, so I don't know if YouTube will like that very much. Oh, we have a log holder. Yay! But I'm really curious what that blue thingy on the map is. So we're going on a little adventure with the card. See what's that about. Let's see. We are here. Oh wait, you're telling me it's a broken down golf cart. We already have oh wait. Oh, it's a cave. We have so much more stuff now. Oh my god, what is this? Hey yo, this is not a cave. Hello? Under construction? You're kidding. Oh my god, what is this? Printer resin. More juice. This is like a scientist bunker. Oh, you can sleep here. Some arrows. And I'm eating this bunker alive. Everything is mine. Resin. Some light bulbs. Oh wait, what the fuck is this? Cool. We don't care about your book. Can we print? Get that book out of my face! Thank you. Can we print shit? Puffton employee. Is this not the guy who smacked my face? Row, flask, mask, books, tech mesh, sled, GPS case, arrows. Man, we can make so much stuff. Oh, is this the resin that we're talking about? Oh, we have 300. What are we making? What are we making? I would like the sled, but 1,000 is a bit too much. Well, we make the flask. Oh. There is a door. Money. Open? No freaking way. We need a key card? Are you kidding me? To the next cave. And I feel like a regular show when I'm driving this car. Yes. Yes. Oh, this is more interesting. We got so much more shit now. I got some Molotovs. I got a bomb. Let's see what this cave got, except for a lot of Larrys. Oh, I'm so ready. I'm so ready for whatever's here. What is it? A shit ton of skulls. See some light. I don't see any cannibals so far. I don't know if that's a good thing. What the fuck is that? Since when did they add Gorlok the Destroyer, bro? What the fuck? Oh my god, bro. What? Yeah, I'm not gonna touch that shit. Why are there bombs here? Sticky bombs. Why are you eating the wall? Is he stuck? Yeah, I'm not fucking with that guy. I want to test something, right? Oh, we have the bombs. Turn that shit on. Does it work? What the fuck? Pinata! Let's see, what do we have here? I see one cannibal right there. Is that the only one? Seems like it. More notes, we don't care. We should get rid of the cannibal first before looting the place. There! Fuck you! Second one. Third one. In your ass. Care for another. Alright, you think we got him? I don't know, I don't know. Oh, Mutant! Hey, you stay right there. Hey. Let's see if that works. Wait, did we get both of them? No way. Why is there a horde of babies? I remember those. What is that? What is that? Someone care to explain? Can someone please explain what the fuck I'm looking at there? Okay, motherfuckers fast. Motherfuckers fast. Turn on the Pokemon Boss music. Fucking shoot all these motherfuckers. Fucking gaming, bro. Fucking gaming. Give me everything. Oh my god. Shoot the fuck. Let's kill him. You got nothing on me. Nothing. Nothing. Except for maybe the babies who will corner me. Oh. You want some? You want some? I'm out of arrows. I'm out. Oh, we got him. Give me back everything. There just does not come an end to this cave. Wait. We haven't used the Molotovs yet. Buddy! I threw it on the babies, you know what? Screw them. Screw them, we'll just run. We'll just run. Oh my god, what is this? A rope gun? We're using it. Or we just yeet ourselves down. That's also a possibility. What the fuck am I here? Oh, nope. Nope, we're running. No, Oh, we got a rope gun. I don't know how good that is, but we got it. Where the fuck am I now? Where's the card? home sweet home. So much better now. I just go scroll with the card. Alright, well, we got quite a lot of progress in again. So I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.